So, the starter. Anyways, a lot of people talk about this Maxima, the 2010 Maxima that I bought on Facebook, right? Hold on. That's fire. The music stays on in the back too. It's pretty good.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Yeah, see, that's what it normally does. It turns off. Anyways, here it is, y'all. And I know it looks pretty good right now, but it's actually pretty bad. But it's still around. It's still running. And right now we're changing the starter right here on this one. If that indeed is the problem, look. That's a little bit. I'll show you the fuck ups. Got an accident too. You know, rear damage, side damage, and then the interior. Messed it up, man. We tinted it out, but you know, for the most part, it's still intact, but it's a little bit dingy, dirty, not up to par. Look, flat tire here, but yeah. So we're changing the starter, and if the starter is indeed the problem, then we're gonna also do an oil change on this. Oh, bushing is broken again, guys. All right. But we're also gonna do an oil change on this. We're gonna change the filter. Like the filter has pebbles in it and stuff. Disgusting. I guess a rat was in there. So we're gonna change that. Change the oil. And we're changing the starter. It has a new battery, but the battery's dead at the moment. So we're gonna charge it up. I'll fix the tire, and I guess he'll be on his way from that, and then he has to continue working on whatever else he has to get done. But you guys see it. It's 3:06. Yeah, 3:06. This watch is good. So yeah, man, we did the starter. Car started up real quick, and now we just fixing these wires. I need my video evidence though, so he knows what I did. What you talking about? That shit was fixed already. The other guy did it. Oh yeah, Ty. But like I said, he need a new torque mount and a bunch of other stuff. All right, man. I mean, there you go. Problem solved. The little wiring to the alternator was definitely an issue. He's gonna have to replace soon. But as of right now, you get in, turn on, and it goes on. Boom. So I gotta get the water in there now, but I gotta put the coolant hoses back on. I'm gonna do an oil change. You know, do a little bit of things on it right now, a little maintenance, and yeah, this car's done, man. So, you know, again, I know you guys wanted to see the Maxima. It finally came back to me because my boy fucked it up. He messed it up. Sorry, excuse the language. But it's still a beautiful car, man. It still runs. It's still out here. 205,000 miles right now. So, I mean, you say whatever you want to say about the Maximas, man. They last as long as you take care of them. And the current owner that got it is not even a good owner. He doesn't even really take care of cars like that. So, for it to still be in the condition that it's in and running, it's pretty amazing. So, we're going to do a engine clean on this, and oil change, and just upgrade some stuff. So, one second. Believe it or not, my friend has not wrote me back. And it comes down to business. I basically explained to him, I said, your car is going to cost you X amount of dollars more, you know, and do you want me to proceed? And technically, I already got paid for the job, the first original job, but he is my friend, my child friend, so I'm gonna hold him down and do the work. I hope that he pays me, you know? use motor flush to flush it, and oil change. Look new to old, guys. You want your car to be able to breathe, not, you know, you see the difference. Put that in here, nice and tight, and like I said, out with the old. Let's put these new parts in. Oh, it's on. Running. Just gonna let, I guess if the thermostat open up, take that in, and then we're gonna put the flush in. And that's it, man. Do a change. You know how to do the rest, but that's it for the Maxima today, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you later.